Hey guys, welcome back to the JR blog. I got a flat, and we're gonna change my tire with my friend Eric. Here are the tires, and we're gonna put them on.
Oh, nah, this is gonna die. It's gonna be dead, fool. Do
Oh
you have an extra
no!
one of these? I think you do, huh?
Many hours later.
Alright, guys, after like at least an hour, unfortunately, battery was dead. But now we have 3 bars. Wanna go grab, we got some in and out. And we also went to Harbor Freight, bought the, show me. We got the 12 point. I guess we needed hopefully that's the size of 5/8. And then we also got the adapters to make it from 1/2 to 3/8. $3, you know what I mean? Not really rated for impact use, but you know, it should work. Yeah, see? Big difference. See? Okay. Wasn't supposed to happen, but yeah. Let's take these out real quick. Not a big fan of wearing gloves, but since I tow, believe it or not, your hands get very dirty. So I just kind of got used to when I deal with tires, I'll just throw them on. So yeah, we're gonna be taking this off. Let's see here. Okay. I hate these things. You got your knife on you or no?
Nah, I didn't bring it, bro.
Of course.
You have yours on or no?
Nah, I didn't bring it in. Give me a second here, guys. Get this on here.
Just put it back in and pull it back out, no?
That's what I was trying to do, but
You wanna try it or what? Doesn't look too promising.
you know what? I have a flathead.
Alright.
Hold on to this. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. We were able to put that right back on that and use the screwdriver to pry it out. If you've dealt with Harbor Freight stuff, you know how it could be. So let's see here. Yeah, see, they just be like stubborn to come out.
Wanna go with the screwdriver?
Nah, we're good. Just came out ready. Cool. Already got it on one of them. Just gonna go ahead and take them all off. Y'all got little washers. Yeah, we took this thing to a tire shop. I'm not even gonna name any names. Last time, and they said that the bolts were rusted, so that's why they didn't want to come out. But that was BS. Just look at how easy they come out. Yeah, guys. We throw them in here just so they don't get lost. I got no Ziploc bag right now. There it is. So if you guys don't know basically what a beadlock is, it's just supposed to lock the tire from spinning on the wheel. Believe it or not, when your truck has a lot of horsepower, take it to the track, it tends to do that. So that's what this does. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and take it. Put this inside the truck. We're right here at Cervantes Tires, right here in Louisiana. It's on Warrensthorpe at near the 91, near Raymond, Warrensthorpe and Raymond. Yeah. So we're gonna see what caused the flat right now. Let's see. ¿Ahí adentro tiene algo? Adentro de la llanta. Sí, ahorita. Yeah, guys, we'll see right now what's in there. Better not stop the Oh, shoot. This is what caused this flat. Yo. Yeah, guys, we did like a plug in it. We didn't want to plug it, but just to get it home, you know, we had ended up plugging it. But yeah, guys, he's going to be patching it, so we'll show you guys. It's all patched up, guys. I'm surprised, to be honest with you. He didn't really.
Yeah. Eric, we're putting in some beadlocks right here.
Yeah, we're basically just tightening them up now. I want to do this by hand because, yeah, I don't want to mess up the tread on it.
Or strip the bolts, guys.
Exactly. So I do have the impact gun there on the lowest setting. I could just do that, but like I said, I just want to make sure everything is cool. So just do it this way. Everything's going good so far. Like I said, we put some of that semi-permanent liquid on here just to protect the thread, because it's already kind of getting not rusted, but instead of it having the coating, which is black, it's starting to be silver. So this one's a little tight right there. A little tight, but still going through. Good. So we'll come back right now when we got it all tightened up. Right here at our wristworks. My buddy just let us borrow the blue point. How much is it in it, homie? Okay. Yeah, let us borrow the blue point tool right here. So looking real promising right now, you know what I mean? We're at 11. We'll go up to 35. I hope it seats good because why we need to move this. Why we needed to move this. Alright guys, so we got every single bolt, you can say hand tight, with the Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet. Weird looking ratchet, but pretty sure ratchet screwdriver, whatever you want to call it. We got them all hand tight, but in order to get this to not have any gappage in there, you gotta remove the air. So I'm a tow truck driver, so keep these handy. So when I put the cars in neutral and the valve stems, sometimes they break or whatever. So anyways, so it took the air out. Just gonna go ahead and put that back on there. All right, cool. Tighten these up to pass me the. We're just gonna do 22. We'll do 22 pounds. So let's see here. Pass me the adapter right there. We got an adapter from Harbor Freight. 1/2 to 3/8. Just gonna go ahead and torque them down, torque these puppies down. And do like a cross pattern, you know what I mean? How do you remember which one you hit? Don't even ask me. Nah, well, I mean, you can tell if you do it again, it'll click again, you know. So yeah. And then we're gonna probably have to go to the gas station to get a better supply of air because I have a compressor, but yeah.
You can go to Pipe Boys if you want, right there.
Probably we could do something. We'll figure that out right now. Then finally, we'll be able to throw this on here. See, it'll do that if you already hit it. It'll just click again. So like I said, shout out to my boy Matic. Need to buy one of these, but I wanna get a digital one. I'm gonna be doing some work on my mortar, so I wanna just do that. Got the specs from the internet, so yeah, I believe you could do anywhere from 22 to what did I say, like 26?
26, that's fine.
Yeah, I kept telling my buddy here that they probably didn't even throw them down at that tire shop we took it to last time, but he wants to see, so I'm gonna see if I could see what the other ones are torqued down to, see if we can match it. So let's see, do that right now. Okay, yeah, I hit all of them right there. So let's see the other one, guys. Okay, so it's already hitting, so we're gonna do 22, 23, 24, 25, lock it. Okay, a little bit more than 25, 26, 27, 28.
Probably did like 30.
Probably did like 30. Okay, no, definitely not. Okay, so let's go back. 27, 26. They probably did 26.
Yeah, 26.
They did 26.
Yeah, 26.
All right, guys, so we'll. Okay, this one's not at 26. That one is. That one just hit 26. That one hit 26. Or that one was at 26. 26. Yeah, so this is why I don't. That one hit 26. Yeah, so this is why I don't like taking my cars, my trucks, anything to the shops unless they're really trustworthy, because I mean, it's probably not even a big deal, you know, but yeah, that way when you build your own car, you know what you've done. Like, you know what corners you cut and what you haven't. So one of these was still loose, so I think it's this one. Yeah. I think it's this one. Yeah, see? All right, cool. Let's go ahead and come back here then. Just do 26 on all of them. work right now at 6, so I just told him, I was like, dude, let's just do it. That way, if there's a meet or something, we don't gotta worry about this last minute, you know? So, yeah. You see, shoot one. Little gun break. I mean, all right. Pretty much done, I believe, right there. Pretty sure passed it already, but yeah. All right, guys, we'll be back right now.
This is how the tire looks on the truck. Thank you for the homie Eric and his brother helping me out. Like and subscribe and comment down below. We're gonna see you next. Thank you all for watching.